today we'll talk about how can you edit your persona on your Talkie app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you here. Go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on edit my persona here. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to my persona here and here add. So just click on it here and here you edit your persona in this list. You add it. So set your own persona here in Turkey here in this list. When you down go above save, click on it, then it's going to save with you on your Turkey app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.